Greetings. I am Maria Garcia, the Director of the Weatherization and Intergovernmental Program Office at the Department of Energy, coming to you from Washington, D.C., your next stop in our 24-hour journey around the world of water. One of DOE's primary forums for engaging state and local governments is the Weatherization and Intergovernmental Programs Office, or WIP. WIP enables strategic investments in energy efficiency and renewable energy technologies through the use of innovative practices across the United States and a wide range of stakeholders in partnership with the state and local organizations and community-based nonprofits. Advancing new energy technologies can help American families and businesses save on their energy bills and provide them with more resilient, reliable, and efficient energy choices. Part of WIP's mission is to provide technical assistance to serve at the nexus of states, local governments, and K-12 schools to catalyze lead-by-example programs. Many of WIP's technical assistance initiatives are part of the Better Buildings Initiative, including the Sustainable Wastewater Infrastructure of the Future Initiative. SWIFT is a Better Buildings accelerator that works with water resource recovery facilities to help build more sustainable infrastructure. Facility operators and state and local governments are ramping up efforts to reduce energy costs and improve performance in the wastewater treatment sector. Across the country, municipal wastewater treatment plants are among the largest energy consumers in a community. They are estimated to consume approximately 30 billion kilowatt hours annually, which equates to about 2 billion in annual electric costs. Electricity alone can constitute 25 to 40% of a wastewater treatment plant's annual operating budget and make up a significant portion of a given municipality's total energy bill. Individual wastewater facilities currently consume about 5 times more energy than is needed to treat their water flow, with that energy use expected to increase by up to 20% in the coming decades due to more stringent water quality standards and growing water demand based on population growth. Reducing energy usage in those facilities can yield significant environmental, economic, and social benefits for local communities. In recent years, a growing number of utilities responsible for clean water have been moving from only wastewater treatment to water resource management, some formally renaming themselves water resource recovery facilities. Energy efficiency in equipment, processes, and operations is a fundamental part of this transition. And according to the EPA, energy savings in facility retrofits can reach 50%. Facilities can expand this energy-efficient foundation with resource recovery measures to move closer to a sustainable wastewater infrastructure. SWIFT began its Phase 1 as a 3-year partnership in 2016 of 25 state, regional, and local agencies that engage with more than 70 water resource recovery facilities in their jurisdictions to accelerate a pathway toward a sustainable infrastructure. Facilities committed to a short-term 5% energy savings goal in 3 years and a 30% long-term energy savings goal. DOE's work with SWIFT facility partners in Phase 1 has produced a number of tools and resources that support energy data management for wastewater operations and planning, implementation, and financing for comprehensive energy efficiency and resource recovery projects to achieve 30% energy savings. In SWIFT Phase 1, facility partners reduced their total energy consumption by more than 8% in 3 years, surpassing the SWIFT 1.0 goal of 5%. They also adopted best practice energy management approaches and created plans to achieve 30% energy savings by 2021. All of the tools and resources developed during this 3-year initiative were compiled into an online toolkit to help wastewater treatment facilities beyond Phase 1 learn and benefit from the work of SWIFT. It includes best practices and innovative approaches that wastewater facilities have used to successfully establish and implement energy management. Toolkit resources focus on key building blocks of energy management, including data management, measure planning, project financing, and plan development, so that potential users of the mechanism can easily find the information they need at each stage of their decision-making process. The Wastewater Energy Management Toolkit will be featured online in the Better Buildings Solutions Center. The Better Buildings Solutions Center is an online tool designed to help organizations easily find proven and cost-effective energy and water efficiency solutions by topic, building type, sector, technology, location, and barrier. It also serves as the primary platform for sharing Better Buildings partner successes and houses the efficiency projects and playbooks of over 900 organizations that have saved $8 billion cumulatively. We are also pleased to share that SWIFT Phase 2 kicked off this summer and will continue the momentum of Phase 1 by leveraging the tools, resources, and lessons of SWIFT 1.0 to benefit the broader wastewater sector. SWIFT Phase 2 will engage 100 facilities in a voluntary partnership to achieve 5% short-term and 25% long-term facility-wide energy savings, and will also work with 25 facilities to implement at least one next-generation technology, for example, renewable energy, resource recovery, and advanced data management. SWIFT 2.0 is currently welcoming interested state, regional, and local agency and facility partners. Contact this website that you see here or Shannon Zarette for more information. And please tune into the WEFTEC Connect session, Accelerating the Next Phase of Wastewater Treatment, an overview of the Department of Energy SWIFT 2.0 on Tuesday, October 6th to learn about more SWIFT Phase 2 and Wastewater Energy Management Toolkit. We hope that you will enjoy connecting from your place to our space as we get ready for a dynamic and immersive virtual experience that brings together thousands of water professionals for 5 days of learning, networking, and discovering new ways to serve our communities both now and in the future. Count down and power up for WEFTEC Connect.